Hey everyone, it's me Melodies. So I went to Sally's a few days ago and I got a few polishes and I have the swatches all right here. So I'm going to start with the two China glaze ones. I had to look this up on Pinterest, but this is called Swing Baby. It's a Gelaize. This is $5.89, and this one is the gold. That's right there. I think I didn't let the layers dry enough or cure because it bubbled some. And then this one is called Camisole. And this was $3.49, and it looks like that. It does not look like that on the bottle. I was not expecting it to be that pink, but it is. And then I found some of the ASP brand, and I only got 4 that were not on clearance, and this one was. So I'll start with this. It's by ASP. This was $4.89, and I liked that it showed the shade. What is on my nails is this one, and then I have the pink and the white. That is what is on my nails. So this one was on clearance, and it is the brown shade right there. And then this pink one, this nude pink, it's called a Wink. And it's that one. I got the white. It's called White Hot. It's just this shade. And I got this black one called Black Beauty. It just looks like that. The red one is this. It's called Selfish. It just looks like that. And then I got this top coat. It says Shimmer top coat. So this has the red shade. You can see how sheer it is. And then the pink and the white with the glitter top coat on top. So that is all I got from Sally's. Next I'll show what I got from Amazon. So I got 200 packs at Camisole. So I'll just show what they look like. And there's about size of comparison to my hand or to my ring. Okay, so I got this Beatles gel polish kit. It comes with nail tips, and a glue set. And it's by Beatles. And we'll open it. It comes with application guide, nail tips. Like I have some other nail tips, but I wanted more. So they're basically the ballerina ones. And they just look like that. Take one out of the bag. So, it looks like this. Ballerina nail. So I have ones that are pointed, but they're not like this. So and then it comes with this with the nail glue, but it's a gel. So it's kind of like a base. If you took base gel and glue and mixed it together, this is what that is. And then this is a mini lamp, which I needed one. And my kids, my older two, have been asking me to do the nails. So I'm just gonna get all this back in together. So when it comes in a box, it just looks like this. Next I got